John's channel, and today we're gonna be covering the head and modeling the anime head in Blender. So what we gonna be doing first is analyzing character designs from my series and water and waves. As you can see in the background, I have water and waves in the background. But these, they know what they're doing when they make the character designs and 3D modeling designs. So what we're gonna be looking at specifically is the head in Blender. And I'm gonna tell you some tips and tricks in order to model the complete face, well, the facial structure, not the full head, but the facial structure, and then you could go on to make the head. This is my latest character I worked on, and this is the head I made for it. This head is really, I really like the work I did on this head. I also did the Guilty Gear mouth shape, so it can have maximum expressions. That's really enticing, so that it doesn't break too, so that's a good thing about it as well too. And this is how it looks from a outer view. You could just see how it looks pretty nice, right? But enough of looking at that model. We're gonna And this is a water and waves character. Something you notice about the water and waves character is how it's textured, how its head is modeled, how the design looks overall. So yeah, this is Augusta. Augusta is a character from Water and Waves, and we are just checking out the topology on this model. The topology is maximized for any angle. Any angle you look at, it will just look good. So no, so look, so we'll just look at the topology a little bit more here. And yeah, so that's it. I wanted to really show you the topology and how it looks in different angles. Now we're gonna do this in our own scene in Blender. So to begin, we will work on the overall facial structure. We'll start with extruding about 10 verts onto the mid-range of the head, and then 10 verts up to complete the head. So that in total will be 20 verts on the face on the outline. Around the nose area, you'll extrude enough verts that it will connect on together later on. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, and we'll just continue with that. So now we have the overall structure of the head. Well, not the overall structure, but the face area structure. So now we're gonna extrude the points around the nose here to make the nose loop area. That's what we're gonna do right now, make the nose loop area. And then we'll go into the mouth area and then you'll do some connecting and stuff. Also, be utilizing 4 verts for the nose, so that's where we'll do the connecting area for the whole loop around 4 verts. For the eyes now, you want to have 19 vertices around the loop area for the eyes. So this is what we're doing. We extrude around the area for the eyes, and we made the eyes, and then we're just going to position it to make sure it looks good on every angle. Now we're working on the mouth area. The mouth area have an overall of 8 foot in total to connect, and then we'll do a circular pattern around. This is the circular pattern around the mouth is actually 15 foot, not really 10. The mouth in general is just 10, 8 foot when we do the final product. But yeah, overall it looks good so far, and I just gonna connect the areas. But something I forgot to mention before is that the nose area had 15 foots to connect to make the loop. Now that we completed the face, I want to go on to other part. This is optional. If you want, you could just do your other parts. After this, you could just make the overall head structure if you want. But the next part I'm gonna do is make a Guilty Gear style mouth shape. Well, the Guilty Gear mouth area, I'm just gonna do the triangles around the mouth area like in the Guilty Gear style. What you want to do for this is to separate the mount and subdivide it. When you subdivide it, you can mirror it and connect it to the mount, to the head back, and then connect the areas together. This is what I'm going to do to finalize the video, and after this will be the end of the video. And yeah, thank you for watching. Overall, this part will just go on and you'll just see the process, but this is it for me, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay legendary. Goodbye.